Hello, this is the Dr. Kocher's House of Smiles family. Here we've been providing comfortable treatment and creating beautiful smiles since the beginning of the clinic in the year 2000. If you're looking for a passionate and dedicated dentist, your search ends here. Dr. Parag and Dr. Manisha Kocher welcome you with open arms to make the experience of your dental treatment one that you will cherish forever. All treatments are provided under one roof. Treatments such as scaling, aesthetic fillings, root canal, crowns, inlays, tooth whitening, NTI, smile design, implants are all done by specialists. The latest techniques such as the use of laser, magnifying loops and an intraoral camera are being done on a daily basis. We also provide pre-treatment instructions and post-treatment advice and medication wherever required. I, Dr. Shivjot Sidhu, have been working here since the last 1 year and under the capable guidance of Dr. Parag Kocher, who has provided me with knowledge and confidence more than I could ever gain anywhere else. The dental assistants here are very well trained and have perfected their jobs. We also have a very informative website for those looking for dental treatment and for those who have queries after their dental treatment. For more information, visit us on www.drkocher.com or www.drkocher.com.